Hi, my name is Jack, and I'm a Lifesaver. I'm 91 years old, and I've stayed in pretty good shape, I think, and I credit that partly to things, exercise and diet. I think that your diet is a very important part of healthful living, and it doesn't have to be elaborate. You don't have to not do this and not do that, but there are some things that I do and don't do. For instance, start with a good breakfast. I eat cereal with milk, orange juice, and in the exercise line, I enjoy everything I do. I ride a bicycle up to 20 miles at a time. I golf. I walk on a golf course, 18 holes. I cross-country ski 10 miles, maybe in a day. I downhill ski at least once a week. I have been a downhill ski racer, and I won 2 national championship gold medals for my age group. Also in the cross country, I've won 7 events where you ski about 15 miles, but I have to really be honest and tell you, there's not much competition in my age group. People ask me, as I got to be way up to 75 or 70 years old, how can you keep skiing? And my answer was, never skip a season. Because if you do, you're going to decide that you're too old and say, well, I can't do that anymore. And that's happened to almost everybody I know.
I nominated Uncle Jack to be a Lifesaver because I've seen him age with health and fitness, and I thought he would be a great role model that we could all learn from of what were some of his tips and tricks and what did he do to get to be so healthy and vibrant at the age of 91.
If you feel that you've not taken care of your body, not taken care of the few things that we've talked about in health, then try a little bit. Say to yourself, I'm going to exercise, and today that means walk around the house maybe. Do a little bit every day and see if you can't try to increase that. Diet and exercise, I think, are the 2 things, and the greatest gift I'd like to give to people is the idea that those things don't have to be boring, but you have to understand, and with a very small start, make them fun. To be a Lifesaver, I truly believe that you have to exercise and keep moving. Now, to do that, you can never skip a season. And don't think that because you're aging, you can't do things anymore. You can do them if you never skip a season.